Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, voice activated navigation system. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.